Hello and welcome to the SOB3D YouTube channel. The SOB3D Mandy devkit has been updated. Shape key physics now supports scaling. Here's how to create an effective scalar product in just a few steps. Update your BPSK Maker add-on in Blender if you haven't already. Open the shape animation file. Scale the shape key physics driver bones as desired. Select the body as the target for the BPSK Maker add-on. Scroll down and click Export Shapes Pose. An XPF file containing the shape key transforms at the current keyframe will be exported to the same folder as the Blender file. Open IMVU Studio. Derive from an empty clothing derivable product. Add an action. Change its trigger name to blink. Configure the action and select the exported XPF file under Morph. Set the loops to 0. Click Preview. You're done. No keyframes needed. If you want to, you may add bone scalars to your product. Be sure to leave any questions regarding this process in the comments. Thank you for watching, and here's to more 3D videos.